It's a deliberate process that requires thoughtfulness and precision. Your goals should reflect your values, align with your newfound self-awareness, and represent what you genuinely aspire to achieve. They should be challenging yet achievable, ambitious yet realistic, and inspire you to push beyond your current boundaries. A well-set goal has several key characteristics. It must be specific, clearly defining what you want to achieve. A vague goal is like a ship without a rudder, directionless and unlikely to reach its destination. That specificity in goal setting gives you a clear target and makes it easier to formulate a plan of action. Your goals should also be measurable. This means you should be able to track your progress and know when you've achieved your goal. Whether it's a numerical target, a specific skill to be acquired, or a personal milestone to be reached, having measurable goals allows you to see your progress, stay motivated, and adjust your strategies as needed. Achievability is another crucial aspect of goal setting. Your goals should stretch your abilities and push you out of your comfort zone, but they should also be attainable. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and demotivation. It's about finding the balance between challenging yourself and setting yourself up for success. Relevance is also key. Your goals should be relevant to your life, your values, and the direction you want to head in. They should contribute to your broader life plan and be aligned with your long-term vision. Relevant goals ensure that you're not just achieving for the sake of achieving, but that every accomplishment brings you closer to the life you want to live. Lastly, your goals should be time-bound. Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency and helps you to prioritize your efforts. It also allows you to create a timeline of smaller milestones, making your larger goal more manageable and achievable. But setting goals is only the beginning. The true challenge lies in the execution. It requires dedication, discipline, and resilience. You will face obstacles and setbacks, but with well-set goals, you have a roadmap to guide you back on track. In goal setting, remember to cater to all dimensions of your life: personal, professional health, relationships, and personal growth. Life is multifaceted, and your goals should reflect that rich. They should bring a sense of balance and ensure that while pursuing one aspect, you're not neglecting others. In summary, setting goals is a fundamental step in designing your own life. It's about translating your dreams and aspirations into actionable plans. As you set your goals, let them be guided by the self-knowledge you've gained. Let them be ambitious, yet achievable, and let them steer you towards a life of fulfillment. As we move forward in our journey, remember that goals are not set in stone. They are flexible and should evolve as you grow and learn more about yourself and the world around you. In the next part of our journey, we will explore the pursuit of knowledge, a key pillar in designing your life and achieving your goals. Stay tuned as we delve into the continuous learning and adaptation required in the art of life design. The pursuit of knowledge. As we continue our journey in designing your own life, we arrive at a critical component: the pursuit of knowledge. Knowledge is not just power. It is the fuel that drives progress, ignites innovation, and facilitates the realization of your goals. It empowers you to make informed choices, broaden your horizons, and navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and understanding. In the context of designing your own life, the pursuit of knowledge is multidimensional. It involves continually educating yourself, both professionally and personally. In the professional realm, it's about staying updated with the latest trends and advancements in your field, acquiring new skills, and expanding your expertise. This continuous learning keeps you competitive, relevant, and opens up new opportunities for growth and advancement. On a personal level, the pursuit of knowledge involves understanding yourself better, learning new life skills, and expanding your worldview. It's about reading books that challenge your thinking, attending workshops that push you out of your comfort zone, and engaging in conversations that expose you to different perspectives. It's a commitment to lifelong learning, constantly feeding your curiosity and expanding your understanding of the world. The pursuit of knowledge also includes emotional intelligence, understanding your emotions and those of others. It involves developing empathy, improving communication skills, and learning how to build and maintain healthy relationships. This aspect of knowledge is crucial as it affects every area of your life, from personal relationships to professional interactions. Technology and the internet have made access to knowledge more accessible than ever. Online courses, webinars, podcasts, and a plethora of digital resources are at your fingertips, offering endless opportunities for learning and development. However, the abundance of information also requires the skill to discern credible sources and valuable content. Remember, knowledge alone is not enough. Its true value lies in its application. It's not just about accumulating information, but about transforming that information into wisdom and action. It's about applying what you learn to improve your life, achieve your goals, and contribute to. Moreover, the pursuit of knowledge is not a solitary journey. It involves learning from others, mentors, coaches, peers, and even those who challenge your beliefs. It's about engaging in meaningful dialogues. In your journey of knowledge, it's important to strike a balance. While professional development is important, personal growth is equally crucial. Nurturing your hobbies, exploring your creative side, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation are all part of a well-rounded pursuit of knowledge. In summary, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey and a key pillar in designing your own life. It empowers you to make better decisions, adapt to change, and live a more fulfilled and enriched life. It's about being a student of life, continuously growing, evolving, and as we move forward, let this pursuit of knowledge guide you in your choices and actions. Embrace the joy of learning, the satisfaction of personal growth, and the fulfillment that comes from expanding your understanding of the world. In the next part of our journey, we will explore overcoming challenges, an inevitable part of life's journey, and how facing them head on is integral to designing the life you desire. Stay tuned as we delve into building resilience and turning obstacles into opportunities. Overcoming challenges. In the narrative of designing your own life, we must address a vital chapter: overcoming challenges. Challenges are an inescapable aspect of life, presenting themselves in various forms and intensities. However, it's not the presence of these challenges that defines us, but rather our response to them. In the pursuit of designing your own life, embracing and overcoming challenges is not just necessary, it's transformative. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that challenges are opportunities in disguise. They test our resolve, build our resilience, and teach us invaluable lessons. Each challenge we face and overcome is a step towards growth and self-improvement. They push us out of our comfort zones, forcing us to innovate, adapt, and develop new strategies. This process is integral to personal development and achieving our goals. When faced with challenges, adopt a mindset of resilience and positivity. Approach each obstacle with the belief that it can be overcome and that you have the skills and resources to tackle it. This mindset shift is powerful. It turns daunting challenges into manageable tasks and instills a sense of confidence and capability. Developing problem-solving skills is another key aspect of overcoming challenges. Analyze the situation, identify potential solutions, and weigh their pros and cons. Sometimes this may involve seeking advice or assistance from others, highlighting the importance of a supportive network. It's also important to maintain perspective when facing challenges. What may seem overwhelming in the moment is often less daunting when viewed in the broader context of your life's journey. Remembering your past successes and how you've overcome previous obstacles can provide a boost of confidence and reassurance. Embrace the learning opportunities that challenges provide. Each difficulty you encounter teaches you something new about yourself and the world. It could be a newfound strength, a hidden talent, or a lesson in patience and perseverance. These lessons are invaluable as they contribute to your growth and equip you for future challenges. Moreover, overcoming challenges often requires persistence and patience. The path to achieving your goals is rarely straightforward or easy. There will be setbacks and delays, but staying the course and remaining committed to your vision is key. Celebrate small victories along the way, as they are milestones towards your larger goal. It's also crucial to practice self-care during challenging times. Stress and anxiety can be overwhelming, so taking care of your physical and mental health is paramount. This could mean engaging in physical activity, practicing mindfulness, or simply taking time to relax and recharge. In summary, overcoming challenges is an essential aspect of designing your own life. It builds character, resilience, and wisdom. It teaches us about our capabilities and potential. Challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones towards achieving your goals and realizing your vision. As you face and overcome the challenges in your life, remember that each one brings you closer to the life you aspire to live. They shape you into a stronger, more capable individual, ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. In the next part of our journey, we will explore the power of networking and how building relationships can support and enhance your life's design. Stay tuned as we delve into the importance of connections and community in shaping your destiny.